Hi, you. You can say hi. Get some Cheerios. You ready for the Cheerio challenge?
Come on.
You want some new concrete? You want some new concrete? Want a new house? It won't be long.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Hello RC and welcome to match 23 of the Trucks with Cups National League. And this match is going to be between the traxxas trx4 k10 High Trail and the Axial SCX 10.3 Gladiator. This is an elimination match. Both these trucks are in the losers bracket, so one of these, unfortunately, is going to be out tonight because
we got dusty Cheerios because we're at the bottom of the pack, so it ought to be a good round.
Yeah.
These are like packed in here with dust.
But yeah, this is one of my
Miles.
favorite trucks, and this is one of everybody's favorite trucks. It's unbelievable. These
It looks
both,
just like Wyatt's big one.
yeah. So if you guys are new to the channel right
We've been
now,
working on it
Wyatt has got a real K10, very similar
right here.
to that one right there. So we'll throw some highlights up here on the board of us working on that truck, and we're doing a motor swap. And
We were never so happy as we were today. The
Yeah.
motor turned with the new
yeah,
starter.
it
so
turned. We were afraid that it was locked there for a minute, but
It's
it
awesome.
started to turn, so we'll probably be live here with that at some point. It might be before this video is out, but anyway, here was some highlights of that. All the work we've been doing on it, swapping from a 305 to a 350.
And we're still doing live videos, so check us out on our
Yep.
lives. Make sure you turn your notifications on.
Yep, 350 with the thumper cam going in. But anyways, back to the competition.
Okay,
Wyatt-
Wyatt's got the K10, Jason's in the Gladiator, and I'm
Yes,
filming.
and Liz is filming. And we'll explain the rules here as we go.
You can't tip all your Cheerios out or you lose.
Ready, Wyatt?
Yeah.
All right.
It's 2 out of 3.
You might need to tip your camera.
Okay.
Flatten it out. There you go.
That.
So, if you guys are new to the channel,
You want some extra Cheerios on top, Wyatt? You got a little jerky moment. Are you sure? Okay.
This is, Liz invented this game, and it's a simple game of follow the leader, where you try to get each other to lose their cup of Cheerios that's on top of the truck. We switch leaders every 5 minutes, and at the beginning of every new round, and this will be a best of 3 rounds match.
It really makes you a better driver.
Is this a money round?
No, this is not a money round.
This
And the
elimination?
cat
This is elimination.
loves the Cheerios when they drop. And pretty soon in the spring, the ducks will be out here trying to peck Cheerios out of our cups. Which counts. You gotta shoo the ducks away or you have a loss of a Cheerio.
Both these trucks are running canyon trails.
Canyon Trail. With the tires?
Traxxas tires, yeah. K10 has got an axe system in it, reef servo, brass, all sorts of goodies.
I need to get a new front like grills for my truck.
Yeah.
Get a nice chrome one.
Hey, I heard of a new chrome polish you could use on your chrome. Did you see my text? I was at the auto store, some guy. It was funny. He says,
Oh, no!
you lose.
What the heck? Why bumped me?
Wyatt,
Don't anybody.
Wyatt didn't bump you.
Oh my god,
It's
I
all
can't
on
believe that just
camera.
happened. That was a quick first round. I can't believe the Gladiator went over
Oh,
like
Miles,
that.
you got some Cheerios there.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna load up, start round 2.
He's over here finding the loose
That's
ones.
the roof light.
You did not touch him. You didn't.
Here we go, the beginning of round 2. Wyatt will be in the lead, and Liz is gonna finish her story.
Okay. So you would never think that this... I didn't know men were worried about their skin. You know what the guy says? He details cars, and he was checking out this stuff. It's called new... Oh, I don't know what it was called. What? The dust doesn't count. I'm never going to get through with my story.
What in the world is going on?
What the heck?
Dust doesn't count.
That is insane.
How'd I tip?
You guys are just listening to me, probably.
We've both, yeah, I think
It
we
needs
are.
to be a
Maybe you
game of
should
golf.
stop
We
talking.
need to stop talking. Okay, I'll zip it on this last round.
Oh my.
Let me just finish my
Finish
story
your
while
story
you're
now.
filling them.
Overloading that.
So he goes up to the checkout and checks out what's in this thing. He looks at the cashier in the jar, and he touches what's in the jar, and he says, I don't think this would be good for my skin.
Oh my.
And the guy at the cash register, his eyes, they got big and his eyebrows went up. Like, what? I couldn't believe it either. I don't think this would be good for my skin.
That is too funny.
And it was just a rag.
Yeah.
It was funny.
All right, here we go, round 3. Unfortunately, that was really quick first 2 rounds. I can't believe we both
You
just
guys
freaking
haven't been on the crawler course in a
lost
while.
But here we go for round 3. And I'm gonna pick up right where Wyatt failed.
Crawler's getting all kinds of goodies today. Cheerios everywhere for her. She's the queen of the course.
I'm gonna try to go straight up here.
The guy had tattoos and a muscle shirt.
Really?
Yeah,
And good skin.
he's worried about. I think his mother raised him right. Worried about his skin. That's what you're gonna say, Wyatt. Oh no! Hold it! You got one Cheerio! Oh, he saved it!
Oh my
Because of the
God.
dust! Look! It's in there! Wyatt, be careful.
Oh
You're
my
down
gosh.
to 1. Oh no, bounce it out!
How'd I tip?
I
That
don't
was-
know. Oh my God. Wyatt. Oh, you're gonna do it
Yeah,
again.
That's where it happened.
Oh, you're gonna do it again. Oh, I'm not getting the camera on it. You're gonna bounce your little O out. You've only got 1 O. Oh. Don't let the k10 fall. Wyatt, you're making me nervous.
Why is it doing that?
It's one,
Back
that
wheel.
back tire's going on that hole. You're
Can't get in that
changing your.
hole. Oh.
It doesn't want to get up over there.
You got a rock you could use to the right.
Yeah, you can get on that a little bit.
No, you're not even gonna get on it. Oh my God, the Cheerio is holding on for dear life. Wyatt.
Oh. All right, good move, Wyatt.
Dude, I let out a poof like your hole in your motor did. Yes. Let's get it up there.
I'm struggling so much.
Oh, you need your practice out here.
There we go.
Where's our time at? 'Cause
You
I-
guys, I'm seriously nerved
am
up
too.
here. You're
I'm-
at 4 minutes and 20, but you guys
Okay.
had that
I'm heading down.
you
here.
had that first. Oh no, that doesn't count.
The
420.
video hasn't stopped between round 2 and
We stopped it there, I think.
How did you?
not between round
No,
2
I
and
don't
3.
know. You're right.
Did Wyatt have the lead in the first round?
I did.
So we're in the second round.
Yep.
We're in the 3rd round.
Oh no, this is the third round.
So I have time to start another obstacle.
So am I just recording from the third round right now, the 4 minutes?
I think so.
Oh, it's 5 minutes.
Okay, I started it, so it counts.
All right.
I don't think we I don't think we stopped the video between round 2 and 3.
Yeah, I don't know.
You
if
just
we did.
continued your story, remember?
Oh yeah, you could have.
I think Dad's still got to.
No, he's done. I think. Or maybe. You're right. Dude, you bet. Oh, look at the Cheerios. They tipped. The whole box tipped.
Oh, okay. I think Miles must have done it.
No, he's right here.
I'm gonna try to tell you off right now, Wyatt.
Oh no. Miles is headed toward the fantastic find.
Yep, it did it. Wyatt's got one Cheerio. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, you can make it look easy.
Wow. Wyatt's leading now.
Yeah. Okay, Wyatt's in the lead. Oh God.
Dude, I can't believe. Luckily, we were at the bottom of the Cheerios. That
Yeah.
dust saved you.
Yeah, that dust stabilized his one Cheerio that he left in there.
I sprinkled extra dust, some magic dust in there for you guys both. He likes to take chances.
There it is. He took a chance and he lost. K10 is out of the competition.
No way!
Yep.
Wyatt!
It's done. The gladiator moves on.
Poop.
Oh, can't complain.
Cheerios in the back don't count. I don't like the gladiator. I like
It
the
does
K10.
good though.
I like that truck. I was rooting for that one.
Well, it's out, so now we can do some more upgrades on this just for fun. Throw some more upgrade videos out. Right?
Yep. And we're gonna throw some upgrades on Wyatt's big truck.
Yeah, and some upgrades on the real K10.
We're gonna get it running today. Oh,
But yeah, we have another elimination round coming up next, and I can't remember what truck sits between. Might be, no, the Phoenix is out, isn't it?
yeah.
I'll have to check and see which trucks they're between, but one more elimination round, and then we're into money rounds for the rest of the competition, going to the finals. So
Come back and watch the others. If you're new, subscribe. We're gonna have more to this course this spring.
yeah, so stay tuned. Another match coming soon. So thanks for watching.